Hello, this is Jeremy from CET, and today I will be showing you how to assemble the Wagner Sprint unit. The tools you'll need for this are a wrench with a size 7 hex nut, a size 13 hex nut, a small flathead screwdriver, a 7mm wrench, and a 5 and 6mm hex driver. The first step is to assemble the equipment trolley. Unpack the unit and place the lower trolley section on a level surface. After that, place the upper trolley section on the 2 guide sleeves and press down gently until it stops. Use the nuts and bolts supplied to screw it into the lower section with a 6mm hex driver and a size 13 hex nut. Make sure there's a washer on the inside of each nut and bolt. Now, we're going to mount the control unit. Carefully take it out of its packaging and use the supplied screws to screw it into the holes on the bottom side of the mounting bracket. Be sure to use the screws with the rim around them. Mount the control unit so that it is flush with the cover of the front, using a size 7 hex nut and a size 7 wrench to tighten it. Now, we're going to attach the gun holder. Align the washers on each side of the bolt. Then, screw it onto the hole on either side with a 5mm hex driver. Put the plastic cap included in the gun hanger box in the side that is not being used. Place the arm here and put the pickup tube through it. Then insert the powder injector on top of the pickup tube. Connect the grounding cables, the one at the base of the unit and the grounding cable bundle included. Unscrew the round cap and place the 2 connectors on the rod coming out of the control unit, then replace that cap. Remove the cover for the powder cable going to the base. Install the other bundled powder cable above the one that we just plugged in. Take a flathead screwdriver, the 2 push-to-connect fittings, the metal screw-on fitting, and the loose blue hose. Pop out the cap on the side with a flathead. Screw one of the push-to-connect fittings where the cap was. Screw the fitting onto the other push-to-connect and plug in the hose. I'm going to remove it here just so it stays out of my way while I'm assembling. Take the red, blue, and black fitted tubes and connect them to the powder injector. Blue goes on the front, red goes behind it, and black is offset here. Back behind the control unit, the black hose goes on the left under the control unit. Red goes in red, blue goes in blue. Remove this rubber band and plug that black hose in like this. Put the fitting included in the gun box on the end of the clear hose and plug it in here. Mine is white, but yours should be black. The other end of the clear tube goes on the metal barb on the gun. This gray cable under the control unit goes here. Gun power cable goes here. On the end of the powder injector, place the grounded hose on the black barb. The other end goes to the white plastic barb on the bottom of the gun. When people order the unit, it usually looks like this coming out of the box. This has been Jeremy with CET. Make sure to follow us on social media and check out the rest of our YouTube channel for everything spray equipment.